These games will ruin your channel in 2023. Hi guys, I'm Amir. Welcome back to another tutorial video. And before I start the video, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so there are some games that have been people's favorite all the time, such as Minecraft. But the games that I'm going to mention in this video are not good for your channel anymore. Okay, so the first game is Among Us. Among Us was a good game for YouTube content back in 2020, but it's not anymore. Because it was trend at that time, but people are not playing it anymore as much as they used to do. So they are playing new games and nobody is watching Minecraft video in 2023. The second game is Fall Guys. Fall Guys also has the same reason as Among Us, and people play them, but not as much as they used to do in 2020 or 2021. Remember, this video was for small channels. For example, if Mr. Beast upload Among Us video in 2023, it will definitely get millions of views. But for a small channel, I don't think so.